So hey guys, we messed around for way too long outside trying to get this engine in with the backhoe. There just wasn't enough finesse there for me to get it in. I was under and over and everywhere in between. His son was doing the best he could, trying to help get things lined up. I cut the video. It was getting bad, so I'll spin you around here. And this is what we're working with today. We're back inside. I was trying to do it all outside in the snow. It started snowing. It got pretty embarrassing, so here we are with this. Hopefully we can get it in there today. Stay tuned. Well, getting going here. Hopefully you might get to see Mom today. She might come out and give us a hand. I could probably use some extra spotting. So here we go. Take this off, huh? Oh, we've been fighting that. Ding.
And now put it right back on?
No, you guys hold there. Let me go under and look.
Mom, you can hold it.
See if I can start some transmission bolts.